Oh yeah, while I was at school, Sterling and State College did this. Oh boy, you can't really see it that well. There, that's what they did. I mean, so somewhat see it, but they... Oh boy. There you go, they did a high wind warning, and my 120 activated on WXM42. I knew this would happen today. Something also happened today. Yes! My 100 also activated for the high wind warning. And how exciting is this? So excited to see a high wind warning scroll on my 100. So there you have it, a high wind warning scroll when I come home from school. So yeah, I had this monitoring WXM42 today, just that way it could also activate for the high wind warning. And yes, the warning lights are on, obviously. And the 120 just stopped scrolling it. Oh yeah, it feels good to have a warning light on my 100. So there you go. Thank you to Sterling and State College.